Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. Today we're going to do a refresh in Sydney's bathroom. This is also Chloe's bathroom, but she actually takes a bath in my bathtub downstairs every single day. So Sydney wanted to just kind of do just some minimal stuff. She's the type of person where she doesn't like a lot of decorations. She's very minimalistic and she's very earthy. So she just likes natural elements in her bathroom and just to make everything simple and not too fancy. So we just went to Home Goods, got some new bath mats and just a couple items just to put on her countertop. So I got these rugs from Home Goods and I bought two and then decided to put them together because I really like that look and it made it look like one long rug and it just looked better that way. Sydney had already cleaned the bathroom before I came in here and helped her decorate it. And I don't know if you guys can see in the actual video, but the bath mats are actually gray. They're really light gray. And so I got her some gray and white items to go along with her bath rug. I got the towels from Home Goods also.
Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah, should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
I truly wanted to find some light gray towels and we couldn't find any. So I just went ahead and just got some white towels. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna change these out for some gray, light gray towels as soon as I can find some. I guess I'll have to check Walmart or Ross or something like that. I just think it would look nice if it was gray. But this will do for now.
More than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot.
I found this picture at Home Goods also, and these pictures are so pretty.
You never lose an argument. So I've been trying hard to pretend.
It looked like crumbled paper and they glued it to the canvas or something like that. I don't know, but it was a beautiful, beautiful set of paintings.
Yeah.
I actually bought these paintings for me, but decided to go ahead and put them in her bathroom because she liked them, and it gave her bathroom a spa-like feel, and it wasn't too much going on in the painting, so she wanted to keep it in her bathroom.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.
We were trying to figure out how to hang these because she doesn't have a lot of wall space when her door is open, and I wanted everything to be seen when her door is actually open.
World on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Of course, you guys know I had to call in my live-in carpenter.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
I even thought of putting it over the toilet, but she wants a cabinet over the toilet, so we couldn't put it over there. But it actually looked nice on that side over the toilet.
Just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love.
Alright guys, this was a pretty quick video. I just wanted to show you how I refreshed Sydney's bathroom and gave it a spa-like feel. The only other things that we're going to do to her bathroom is add a cabinet over the toilet, and then she ordered some flowers that look like a curtain and they hang, and she's going to put that over her shower curtain just to give it more of an earthy feel. And that will be pretty much it. She doesn't like a lot of things in her bathroom. Like I said earlier, she is very minimalistic. That's just how she is. When we finish the final look, I will post it to Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me over there. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Bye.